In today's video, we're going to Caffe Bene in Taipei. We're going to attempt to eat this giant piece of garlic cheese toast. It tasted pretty good at first. The toast was crispy, the garlic was good, the cheese was all melted, but the longer you take to eat it, it gets less crispy, it becomes soggy, the cheese starts to harden, and so does your spirit. Giant bread challenge, day 3. I'm halfway through. I'm very thirsty. I realized Day 7. There's so much left. I haven't had any water. I'm trying to finish this without any water. No liquid. That's like 80% done. Day 8. This is definitely too much bread. Started off as a 5 out of 10. Now it's a 1 out of 10. It's all pain. So much pain. I don't think people are supposed to eat this much bread. Three more pieces. It's pretty painful. It's too much bread. It's too much bread. I don't want any more. It's too much garlic bread. No human should eat that much garlic bread with nothing else. Finally started drinking water. My stomach's gonna expand a lot because that was a lot of bread. I can no longer walk. I have bread poisoning. Send help. When I die, and they check my body at the hospital during the autopsy, they're gonna say, "Man, this guy ate a lot of bread." So much bread is in here. It's like a duck. Eating this bread was a journey of determination, hope, achieving one's goal, and realizing, no, just give up. Goals are stupid. Just relax and be happy. Oh, so much bread. It's full of garlic and cheese. At my funeral, make sure the gravestone says the garlic bread was just okay. Just okay. Also add, I didn't know it was a K-pop cafe. I thought it was Italian. It's Caffe Bene. Caffe Bene. So I thought it was Italian.